Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the essentials: map fragment, a lantern, and half a bag of glow dust because visibility matters. Once done, set the game clock to dusk. Vaughn suites prefer twilight habitats, so this increases spawns. Move straight to Sugarthorn Ridge, waypoint 7, and approach along the northern ledge. This gives line of sight to 3 spawn pockets. While moving, watch the ground for faint shimmer. Those are early indicators, and you should activate your lantern only when shimmer dims. Now you narrow the search by scanning individual pockets for shimmer clusters and quick half to 1 second spark flashes. Those are precise cues. When you find a cluster, sprinkle a pinch of glow dust to confirm the edible Vaughn scent. This reveals hidden sweets. Move slowly and avoid loud actions because stealth increases pickup success by roughly 20%. If a cluster fades, backtrack 3 meters and rescan. This prevents missing a respawn that often happens in tight crevices. Finish by collecting Vaughn sweets using light, continuous taps rather than heavy strikes, because gentle contact preserves the sweet and triggers collection reliably. Once gathered, immediately place them in a cool inventory slot to prevent spoilage and make sure you have capacity. Don't exceed the inventory cap. If you find no sweets after scanning, troubleshoot by exiting the area for 60 seconds and re-entering. This forces a respawn. Finally, if issues persist, check the game time again. Twilight windows matter for spawn timing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.